Hello everyone, I am Prince Mishra of class 9th A, and today I am going to tell you all some important steps which you should have to follow in this COVID-19 pandemic. So let's start. Number 1. Don't go outside unnecessarily. If there is no need, then please stay home. If you go outside unnecessarily, then the virus may affect you. Step number 2 is the most important step which you should have to follow. The step is that always remember to wear a mask whenever you go outside, because this is the very important thing which you should have to do, as it protects you from the COVID-19 virus. So making sure whenever you go outside you wear some mask. Step number 3. The step is that maintain social distancing. It means that you have to maintain a certain distance from other people, and the distance is of 6 feet. Like you have to maintain a distance of 6 feet from other people. Step number 4 is the most important step which you should have to follow in this COVID-19 pandemic. The step is that wash your hands properly by soap for 20 seconds. Whenever you come back from outside to your home, then the first thing which you should have to do is washing your hands properly for 20 seconds. Follow this step because this step is very important and it may protect you from the COVID-19 virus. If water and soap are not available with you, then use hand sanitizer to sanitize your hands. Sometimes we are in a such place where there is no water and no soap. At that time, hand sanitizer is the best way for you to disinfect your hands from the virus. Step number 5 is also important. The step is that whenever you cough or sneeze, cover your mouth by a tissue or by your elbow. Don't use your palm to cover your mouth. Use your elbow every time whenever you sneeze or cough. Or if you have a tissue, then use it. This step may stop the virus which is coming out from your mouth in the form of cough and sneeze. If you follow this step, then it may protect the other people from getting infected by the virus which is inside you and coming out from your mouth. Step number 6. Avoid crowded places. Don't go in any crowded place, because if you go in any crowded place or a place where there is a crowd, then the chances of getting infected by COVID-19 increases, and this is not good for you. So please don't go in crowded places. Step number 7. A people gets infected by touching some surfaces like the doorbells, the table. These are the examples of some surfaces which are touched by you in your daily life, and also these surfaces are touched by other people as well. So disinfect these surfaces to protect yourselves and your family by COVID-19 and also other people. Step number 8. Avoid close contact with anyone who is sick, who has the symptoms of COVID-19, because maybe that people gets affected by COVID-19 virus. So if you come in a close contact with that people, then you may also get infected by the virus. Step number 9. Don't touch your eyes, nose and your mouth by your hand, because your hand is the main carrier. Your hand is the main carrier of virus. So if you touch your nose, eyes and mouth with your hand, then the virus which is in your hand may enters in your body through your eyes, nose and mouth. So please don't touch your eyes, nose and mouth by your hands. Step number 10. Check your temperature daily. If you have any symptom of COVID-19 virus like cough, fever, cold, muscle pain, difficulty in breathing, sore throat and loss of taste and smell, then immediately consult with a doctor. Step number 11. Please take care of your immunity, because your immunity is the best weapon for you to fight against this coronavirus. Now the question which is coming in your mind is that how we can increase our immunity. So let's see. You are seeing on your screen that these are the some power foods which increase your immunity, like green tea, eggs, spinach, honey, almonds, oranges. So add these types of food in your diet. These foods will increase your immunity and give you the power to fight against COVID-19 virus. Don't take stress in COVID-19 virus. Follow all these steps and stay home, stay safe. Thank you very much.